Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Paola, and I know it's been a while since my last video that I posted, but guess what? No problem. I am back and I'm so excited to finally be here back with you all and spend some fun times with you guys, share some fun amazing videos with you all. And yeah, so today I have a few things that I want to get done. I want to tidy up our house. I need to run some errands. I need to go get my nails done because it's time to get my nails done. And I'm so excited because the weather is finally dropping here in Texas. And so that means that we get to, wear cute outfits and enjoy the outdoor more. And I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I can't wait to spend this time with you all. So let's get this video started. Okay, so on Saturdays, I love to clean my house and get it ready for the week. It's just something that I just love to do. I'll do laundry, I'll vacuum the floors, mop them, wash the bathroom, change the sheets. So now it's time to do our laundry. So let's get this laundry started. So I got laundry started, and now it's time to enjoy a yummy cup of coffee, watch some Gilmore Girls, and then I'll start cleaning. Maybe. I like to take, my Saturdays nice and slow because I do spend a couple hours cleaning the house. So let's enjoy this cup of coffee. Nails are done. I decided to go with this color. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Nothing too crazy, just because my nail tech, who usually does my nails, she's out of town, and so I didn't want to try anything too risky because you know how that goes. And I didn't do my eyebrows because she wasn't there, and so I don't really trust everyone with my eyebrows, and I was scared to try with somebody else. So that's fine, no problem. I really wanted to go and get those things at the store, but I think I'm going to wait for later or tomorrow, just because I haven't made any lunch, and Josue is about to get off work, and I'm really hungry. I'm like hangry, and I decided to get us some Panda Express. So I think we're just gonna do that and then check later at the store because I don't like rushing. So now time to go home and eat some yummy food because I am hungry. But they're cute, right? These are my real nails. I do dip powder, and they're really long. It's crazy. And I cut them today because they were really long. So nails are done, check. House is clean, check. Store, not check. We'll get that done later, but let's go home. Hi guys, so it's been a couple days. It's actually Monday. We had a great time with our family. Now I am going to Walmart because remember last time we talked, I needed to buy some things. I didn't do it over the weekend, so that's why we're gonna go now. So let's go to Walmart. I have a list. I made this tiny list of all the things I need so I don't forget and I don't overspend. So let's go to Walmart. Okay, so I'm back from Walmart and now it's time to make dinner. And for dinner tonight, I plan on making some Mexican rice, which I got the recipe from another YouTuber and I'll link it down below. I'll be making pico de gallo and then I'll be making some shrimp my own way. It comes out really good. I cut some onions, tomatoes, peppers, and that'll be dinner. So let's get dinner started. And just like that, dinner is done. We have the pico de gallo, the rice, the Mexican rice, and then shrimpy. Time to eat.